Whoosh. Zoom. That's true, but I don't know. I should do some research. I don't know if I think if she laid the eggs in there, she'd be around a little more. I saw her getting into the nest for maybe 3 days in a row, and then now it's been a few days at least since she's been around, so I don't know. I didn't see the male either when she was crawling in there, so is that normal for ducks? They definitely come and go. It's been maybe 10 years since the last time we had ducklings around here. Right, yeah. I figured they'd be together if she was mating. But the ducks are always coming and going, so now that we've built this nest on the island, I think that might increase our chances of getting the ducklings back around here. What do you think, Raven? I don't know what you'd react to the ducklings. You'd probably be barking all day if they're swimming around out there. It was funny, when the duck was around, Raven would bark at them. Moose didn't really care, he'd just watch them. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up button, everybody. I haven't been watching. We got 6 thumbs up now. You're a good girl, Raven. There. Yes, here you go. Get your ears rubbed. Yeah, yeah. He was just drooling while he watched. Good girl. Yeah, Moose is the goofball for sure. This wood box is the best. They love hopping up on this. It gives them a little perch above the yard. I thought about putting a dog bed out here, but last time they had dog beds on the back porch here, they didn't last very long. There was stuffing everywhere. But they do like hopping up off the ground. Or getting into the ground, digging these holes. But no new holes since I filled those other holes in. Just the big one. Mikkel, hi. How are you? Thanks for stopping by. Say hi, Raven. I hear Moose barking. Cool, yeah. Share with everybody. The more the better. Hope she's doing okay. Hope the hospital isn't too serious. You hear Moose?